Our motoring tip of the week concerns hand-me-down cars. And yeah, you heard that right, hand-me-down cars. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I bought a used 2003 Toyota Corolla from my next-door neighbor, and this car was handed down through my next-door neighbor's family from the dad to the son. And eventually, when the car needed some major repairs, I ended up buying it. They offered it to me for basically what the wreckers had offered them, a few $100s to scrap it. So I was offered the car for the scrap value, took them up on it, and I'm now into that project. But as I get into that project, this car seems to defy what I've been saying for 30 years, that you need to really stay on top of repairs and maintenance. This car we think has somewhere in the neighborhood of 500,000 kilometers. Very minimal maintenance in the past few years, but the nucleus is still there. So I'm gonna fix this car up, and it's gonna be a bit of a topic that we'll use on our motoring segments here going forward, because there's lots of subject material to talk about. But I think the story here is that if you're a mechanic or someone in the trade like myself, if you're starting out in the trade, a project like this is great for you as an apprentice mechanic, because you're not gonna get those big repairs. So if you buy a car with major problems, you can learn as you go along. The other storyline here is that if you do some rust protection early in the life of a car, you may have a car that's viable to hand down to your kids when they go off to university, or some other family member that needs a car. That car that you didn't think about 10 years ago all of a sudden looks pretty good to you when you don't have to go out and spend $30,000 or $35,000 to buy viable transportation to someone. So the hand-me-down car can be a great deal. That's your motoring tip of the week.
Hi. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And if you watch this on Facebook, like, follow, and share us. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.